Hi, everyone. Thanks for joining us. Volatility continues as we have started the third quarter earnings reporting season and as we get closer to the US presidential election. We have been opportunistically reducing some investments in our actively managed solutions product, or what we call the AMS, which has shares in the companies from our monthly top picks. The reason is that some of the stock prices are now close to their price target and have less upside from here. For example, we have had and continue to have Meta platforms in our top picks, but we moved it down our list of preference as the shares now only have approximately 5% upside based on the average 12-month price target from analysts. We plan to use downside volatility that might occur during earnings and the US elections to add to our favorite investments. We got lots of exciting news this past month in the technology sector. This included Mark Zuckerberg at their annual MetaConnect Developers Conference, showcasing a prototype of their Orion augmented reality glasses. Elon Musk has been busy this month as Tesla had their RoboTaxi event where they displayed their future products, the Cybercab and the RoboVan. They also showed off their Optimus humanoid robots. Tesla shares sold off after the event as it did not meet the high expectations entering the event. Other news came from SpaceX, which many of our clients have had the opportunity to invest in as we had brought it as an investment a few years ago. In an amazing engineering achievement, SpaceX's massive Starship, the world's largest rocket, took off and the booster came back and was successfully caught by two giant chopstick-like arms called Mechazilla. Related to the AI boom, there has been a massive increase in power demand as there is substantial amounts of energy needed for new data centers. We have seen a bunch of announcements from the large cap technology sector to try to secure power. This has included Microsoft, which signed a long-term power agreement with Constellation Energy to reopen the shuttered nuclear facility 3 Mile Island. Alphabet and Amazon announced separate deals to invest in small modular nuclear technology, which will take many years to develop, but could provide plenty of power in the future. We have had power producer Vistra in our top picks report and in the AMS equity, but have been trimming shares recently after the strong rally in the sector after these announcements. The start of earnings season was volatile, with ASML disappointing as they gave 2025 estimates that were much lower than expected, as non-AI related businesses were weaker. Some of this is due to delays from Intel on their new plant and weaker demand from China. On the other side, we got much better earnings and guidance from Taiwan Semiconductor, as the company said they see AI related spending sustained for many years. We will be getting lots of earnings results over the next few weeks that will impact many of the stocks in the technology sector. The week of October 27th will be a busy week with Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and Meta all reporting earnings. Will Halloween bring a trick or treat for investors? Investors will want to see if the results and guidance meet or beat expectations, but they will also want to hear what are the company's spending intentions, which will impact NVIDIA, which reports earnings at the end of November. Microsoft earnings are one that we are keenly interested in as it is in our top picks and a large investment in the AMS. And recently, there have been some views from banks like Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley that the company will report earnings results at the lower end of their guidance and also increase spending, which could spook the market. We think this could be an opportunity for investors if the shares are weak after their earnings, as we like the growth prospects and we think many of the concerns are priced in the shares as the stock has been relatively flat for a few months and analysts have already discussed this potential risk. Thanks again for joining us. We look forward to speaking to everyone again next month.